Monster Truck's Secret Adventure, Exploring Spooky Cove. Once upon a time, in a colorful world filled with exciting vehicles, there lived a brave monster truck named Maximum. He loved going on adventures, and one sunny morning, he decided to explore a mysterious place called Spooky Cove. Spooky Cove was known for its eerie fog and strange sounds, but Max was not afraid. He revved up his big tires and set off on his secret adventure. As he drove deeper into the cove, the fog grew thicker, and the sounds got spookier. Max suddenly spotted a group of friendly ghosts floating around. They were giggling and playing hide-and-seek. Max honked his horn, and the ghosts laughed and invited him to join the game. Max had a blast hiding behind the spooky trees and surprising his new ghostly friends. As the day went on, Max and the ghosts explored the cove together. They found a sparkling treasure chest filled with shiny coins. Max decided to share the treasure with his new friends, and they all had a delightful picnic by the beach. The sun began to set, and Max knew it was time to head home. He said goodbye to his ghostly pals, promising to return for more adventures soon. Max drove out of Spooky Cove, feeling happy and grateful for his secret adventure with the friendly ghosts. And so, Max's secret adventure in Spooky Cove came to an end. He learned that sometimes, the spookiest places can also be the most fun when you have friendly friends by your side. Max couldn't wait to share his exciting story with all his vehicle pals back in the colorful world.